my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about ACs. You might think the working mechanism of ACs. No, we learned many concepts, but we don't know how do we use them in our daily lives. So this is an example how convection is used in our daily lives. This is an AC. Now, why is not AC being at such a top hard to service? Just put in the middle or at the downside? Let me tell you. You have learned cold air drowns down and the hot air rises up. So now this AC is giving cold air. So now this air as it drowns down, so it goes down. But now it's empty over here. So this hot air which was underneath comes here. Now here it is hot and here it is cold. And now this hot air also becomes cold, while this cold air due to no cooling becomes a bit hot. And then this again goes up and this goes down. So that's how the whole room slowly turns cold. Now what about these three marks? These are the average height marks. An average person, to the respect of ACs, an average person heads come over here. Now his chest comes over here and legs start from here. So from this the whole body would keep cool. Now this is an AC at the chest level. So now same happens but at lesser height. This air which is whole hot, in that this part gets cold due to the AC and it gets down. And this part which is hotter than this colder air rises up. And now here's the thing. Now it rises up, here's hot now, here's cold. Slowly this cold becomes warm and this hot becomes cool. And again this cycle repeats. But the problem is the head isn't receiving any cooling. The chest and the legs would only feel cold. Now it's the time with the AC at the bottom level. This is the worst case. Here this much part is hot. So now it has given air, it goes down and the air which is at just the beneath and that rises up. And only this much part is cooled, else the upper legs, chest and heads are remaining hot. So the room won't be cooled properly in these two cases. But in this case, the whole room will be cooled efficiently and properly and also quickly. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.